Hold the mask with the outer layer out and pleats folding down. The outer layer is usually colored and should be away from your face when donned. Bend the nose piece and pull to open the pleats. With the mask positioned comfortably on your face, fasten the top tie at the crown of your head and the bottom tie behind your neck. Slide your fingers under the bottom of the visor and press the nose piece along the nose and cheekbones to ensure a secure fit. Adjust the visor as needed to reduce glare. When you are ready to remove your mask, make sure your hands are clean, and release the mask by breaking or untying the bottom ties followed by the top ties. Avoid touching other parts of the mask to prevent contamination, and discard appropriately.